For today's recipe, you're going to need 5 pieces of chicken strips. You're going to need paprika, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, and some black pepper. Mix everything together, guys, until it's nicely blended. Now you want to add a little drizzle of olive oil to your chicken, and this is going to allow the seasoning to soak right in. And now it's time to add my blended seasoning. Then you want to mix everything together. And now, guys, we're going to add some jerk seasoning. You also want to add some oil to your pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, sizzling hot, add your chicken, and then we're going to fry our chicken for about 3 minutes per side. That's a total of 6 minutes. Yes, guys, so at this point you want to add some water, about a half cup, tablespoon of ginger, about a half cup of orange stir-fry sauce, and about a teaspoon of jerk seasoning. You want to mix everything together until it's fully combined, all right? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never, and turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I